Hey, welcome back, guys. Matt here from myrawintuition.com. I hope you guys are all doing well out there. Got to keep it down right now because there's still people sleeping in the house. But I wanted to jump on here really quick and just let you guys know that the Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle is back. So I'm not sure if you made the last one or you purchased the last one, but this one is even better. This one is packed full. I think it's got 52 new products, including ebooks and courses and meal plans and other guides and things like that. All raw vegan, all brand new, never before seen, products and, really high quality content, including my new ebook, 5-Star Digestion, which I am super excited about. I am really proud of how it turned out. I think you're really going to enjoy it. And so that is only available right now, starting today through November 1st in the Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle. So I hope you will check it out. The link is in the description box down below. It has got, so many great contributors in there, including Lissa Maris, Nate Maris, Chef AJ, Chris Kendall, Doug Graham is in there, Ted Carr, Karen Ramsey, Doctors Rick and Karen Dina. So there's a lot of people in there that have consistently been putting out good quality content for people. And, this is no different. They've got some great stuff in there for people to really educate themselves and take their raw food diet and lifestyle to the next level. And so, again, check the link in the description box below. If you use that link, I will get a little commission, so I really appreciate if you use my affiliate link for the bundle. As a special bonus, if you use my affiliate link, I will give you the choice of one 15-minute power call, Zoom, or phone session to answer any questions you may have. Or you can get one free ebook from any of the ebooks in my website shop. So all you got to do is send me an email showing a screenshot of your purchase with my link, and I will get you that free gift. I think you're really going to enjoy this content that they're putting out. Again, the value for this thing is it's over $3,200 is what I'm told. So really amazing deal. $50, you're getting over $3,200 worth of material. And so definitely check it out. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out to me at my website, or you can leave a question in the comments box down below. All right, have a great day, and I will catch you in the next video. Always follow your raw intuition.